If you are still contemplating on a very good food processor to purchase, then this video is for you. Continue watching because I'm going to be unboxing my food processor, and I'm also going to be telling you the things you can do with this food processor. Let's get started. Rytech Food Processor is a powerful kitchen appliance designed to make the food preparation tasks easy and fast, with a robust 1000 watt motor which ensures efficient performance for a wide range of food preparation tasks from chopping to kneading. Provides precise control over the processing speed, allowing you to adjust it seamlessly according to your need. It comes with a spacious 3-liter mixing bowl that accommodates large quantity of ingredients, perfect for meal prepping. This is the julienne blade. It creates julienne cuts for carrot, zucchini and other vegetables for salad and garnishes. It's very easy to remove and fix another blade. This is the slicing blade. It effortlessly slices fruit and vegetables. This is French fried potato blade. It's specifically for cutting potatoes into perfect shape for homemade French fries. Next, we have the twin bitter geared whisk. This is fantastic for whipping cream, beating eggs, or preparing batter for baked goods. It saves you time and effort compared to manual whisking. This is the knife blades. It has the stainless steel and the plastic. Use the stainless steel for tough chopping. Slice through meat easily. Chop vegetables for stir fry. Prepare herbs. Use the plastic for softer items like baked goods. Chop greens for salad. Prepare fruit slices. Cut through firm fruit. Let's talk about the citrus juicer. This handy attachment is perfect for extracting fresh juice from your favorite citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes. Now check out this emulsifier. It's great for creating smooth dressings, mayonnaise, or sauces by combining ingredients that usually don't mix well, like oil and vinegar. You can also use this for your chocolate ganache and homemade butter. Of course, we can't forget the blender. This powerful 1.5 blender allows you to create smoothies, soups, sauces, and other blended recipes. Now let's take a look at the grinder. This is perfect for grinding spices, coffee beans, or even making homemade breadcrumbs. This is the spatula you can use to reach the corners of bowls and containers to scrape up ingredients. If you are looking for a brand to invest for your kitchen appliances, you can try Rytech brand. I have their blender, I have their juicer, I have their smoothie blender, now I have their food processor. And I have no issue since I started using any of these items. So you can go on and try. I hope this video helps you to make the right choice while choosing the best food processor. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.